Hey guys, welcome back. Today in part 3 of Segues and Navigations, we'll go over show detail segues and pop-up segues. Yeah, you can always find source code in GitHub. Link is in comment down below. Okay, so let's go to our project. So what I do, I have my project for part 2, and in this part, which is part 3, I'll go over this show source code navigator here, and in branches I'm gonna create another new branch. So I just say new branch. I name it master part 3. So at the end of today, master part 3 will be ready, and I will push it to the GitHub, and you can find link in comments. Okay, so what I do now. So first of all, I want to go over details and pop-up. So what I do, I'm gonna make a new view controller. So view controller, I need two, one for details and the other one for pop-up. So let me select this one, Command C. I'm gonna copy this, so I'm gonna select this, Command C, Command V, Command V. Yeah, so I have the second one, or I can drag like the from here, but let me go by this way. Okay, and here for this one, so what I do, I'm gonna come here to make a show detail. I'm gonna come here. First of all, I'm gonna fix this label to be show detail segue. Show details, and for this one I'm gonna make it pop-up segue. Okay, so let me make this smaller. Now from this one, first of all, I select this button, and yes, so I'm gonna control drag from this button to my view. Yeah, my PC is starting to be very slow. Yeah, here we go. And from this drop down collection, I will use show details. Okay, and from pop-up, do almost same. So control drag. Don't pick up my control, so Command Z, because I want to take it back. So I select this, make sure to push and keep control, and then drag to this one. Yeah, I'm sorry, my phone, my PC start to be very slow. Here, and this one I choose present as a popover. Okay, so here I want to make my detail. So what I need to do, let me make it a little bit lighter. I don't know why it's very slow, my PC. Okay, so here I'm select one image, I put this image here, then I need two label, so one label sitting here, other label, and button. Need one button here this side, and another button. Okay, so to make this auto layout, so we're being matched with different size of device. So what I do, I'm gonna select these two buttons, and I'm gonna make them embedded in stack view. Automatically gonna pick up horizontal stack view, but the space is too much. I'm gonna make a space 10, and also then I make is stack view, and with push control and other two label and my email, make all of this another stack view. And excuse me, and for this stack view, as I have selected, I'm gonna pin it to all corners. So let me pin it as a 0 to all corners. Here we go. And so for this space is 128. I don't want this much, so I make it 20. Okay, and so also I make distribution feel equal, so either of them gets same area of the my stack view. And for this one, I'm gonna give it one image. So this image, let's see, let me select this image and see if I have show details. Yes, here we go, details. And for this label, I'm gonna make it to be 0 lines, so means how many lines we have text, and I'm gonna wrap it as a word. Okay, so now I'm gonna give it text. So what I want to say here, I want to say to user that, hey, either I am a view controller that's presented as a detail in a split view controller. Okay, so this one also I make text a little bit dark. Yes, and to be center. Okay, and for this one I make text same and line break with word wrap, and let me give a text, if not in a split view controller, like right now I will appear as a Modal Segue. So this is the point. If we have, if we use details, show this show details in split view, it will work on like that. But otherwise, it's gonna be like a show modally. Okay. And to make this so for my button, so for this button I just say take me back, and for this one I wrote show me a split view controller. So I'm gonna write make a in next parts we will make a we'll try to make one split view controller as well, and I give this background to like red, and for this one for example background like blue. Okay, so for this and also for this alignment, so it's a center, I'm gonna make it to be filled. So here we go. And so this image I'm gonna make it aspect fits. Okay, so now we are almost good. I just want to bring this a little bit. Oh yeah, let's leave it like this, or at least make this text bigger. Let's make it 30. Yeah, good enough. 30. Okay, to save my time, I'm gonna copy this, Command C, then I'll go to this view, which gonna be for my pop-up, and I'll go under my view here, Command V. So I'm gonna drop that here. The only things I need to add, I need to pin it to all corner with 0. After we pin this again to all corner, it will be like this. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna to make it to be for PopOver. So let's see, yeah, pop-up. And for text, yeah, hey, I'm view controller that presented as a pop-up, and here I say however in an iPhone I will appear as a modal screen. That's why I also need a button to go back to the previous view controller. Okay, so yeah, we don't need this one. We only have something that takes us back. So I want to try something. I'm not sure about that, but we will try to figure it out. So if I control drag, oops, sorry, I forgot to push control. So control from here to this. Let me see if It should let me to exit, but I don't know why it doesn't let me to go to exit. So control drag from here to exit won't let me. So what I do, I just make it to going back to main view. Okay, so control from this to this view. Show detail. Later we will go over this and we will do this by code. But for now I want to handle everything with here we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test this out. So command R to run this and see how it will be look like. Okay, show details. You will see, yes, it's gonna be like this. Take me back, show detail, take me back, show detail. So you will see it's like a show present modally. It's gonna be, but it could be like a split view in other. And in PopOver also, it's exactly look like Modal Segue. And you know that this, here we have animation. We can do this for others as well. So for example, for this one, select this. I can here go to animation. I can change this animation. So for this one, present modally, present Philip horizontal. I make this, but for this one, let's see, present pop over. If in case of other sizes, we have this kind of options: left, right, top, down, whatever. And for this one, we have these options as well. Okay, yeah, so let's run this again, and then we will just review some document about that to give you guys idea that how gonna be. So show gonna be like this. We have navigator, so when navigator will come back modally. We have this, and we can going back and show details exactly like Modally, and pop over also. Okay, so I just go over details. So present Modally, for show details segue is a special type of segue that's useful for a split view controller. In a split view controller, you have a master view controller at the left and control details view at the right. If all details view controller have the same struct, so their data is different. No segue is needed. However, if you need to show details view controller with different structure, or meaning you need to perform segue. The catch with this type of a segue is that, contrary to what might seem logical, the segue is performed in the master view controller. We will explain the process in deep later in other parts. We will go all to do all with the code. if we use this segue between two view controllers that are not in a split view controller, it will behave as a modal segue, as I said. So popover, it's gonna segue show that new view controller can new view controller can find within a pop up. Obviously, this type of segue only makes sense in an iPad. Okay, so in iPhone, it's on device which is smaller screen like an iPhone. The segue behave as a normal modal transition. So if you feel that your you know app maybe work on iPad as well, you can use this. But in iPad, I just need to give you hints that you need to add the location of this as well. Pop-up 7 need an anchor. This anchor is a view where the arrow of pop-up will point to normally. You want to pop-up to point to the button or view that trigger its appear. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up, and don't forget to be subscribed. If you have any question, ask in comment below. Watch next video, which is where we start to go to do everything with code. Have a good one. Bye bye.